How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, I hope this finds you and your family and friends safe and well. Obviously, I'm going to be talking about the situation that we're all going through, well, most of us are going through, the COVID-19, the coronavirus. Basically, I just want to touch base with you and send you love from here from Belfast, and just really to wish you a safe section of road ahead. How do I feel about it? It's quite worrying. Because there's so much misinformation, there's so much disinformation, and the lack of information that what's going to happen, and it's that fear that somebody close to us, friends and family, and even strangers are going to be losing their lives on such a scale. It's not nice, I think, and I believe that the government may create a shutdown maybe within the next week, maybe next 2 weeks. So getting prepared for that. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos and keeping the mindset focused, excuse the pun. Sadly, obviously, because I'm a photographer and I do workshops and I do one-to-ones, and I also do photo tours and walking tours here at Belfast and elsewhere, I've had to cancel. And I've had people that was meant to be going on a course, a workshop in 2 weeks' time, and I had to cancel it. So my business has virtually stopped at this moment in time, because I can't obviously interact with people. Going to interact with you guys, so I'm going to be doing more videos online. I'm just going to be talking. I'm going to be up my game on the channel, keep a positive mindset, and start to share the content. So if there's anything you want me to discuss or do a video about, please let me know in the comments below. I am thinking about maybe doing like a live chat next week, maybe schedule something and do like a wee bit of a live question and answer, just a bit touch base, and we'll talk about photography. You can ask me anything you want. If you want to leave a question down below, I'll get that on till then, we can discuss it. But yeah, 3 things like that. I've got a few ideas obviously for the channel. I just hope that you're okay. I hope that you're taking it serious enough, but maybe not too like chicken licking, the sky is falling. I think it's important to be sensible. Certainly the most basic thing you could do is wash your hands, and making sure you do thoroughly wash your hands. The social interaction, you have to watch that. But look, your own government is already telling you what to do. You don't want me to tell you. So that's what this video is about. Just really to touch base on it. Ideas for the channel. Flip's sake. This is going to be interesting. I don't know. It's going to be fun. Let's make it fun. I'm not too sure what stage of yous are, wherever yous are in the world, but maybe document this section. You know what I mean? I've already started taking some photographs, and especially before the lockdown. Document this section of road, because we're going to look back on this and say, shit, you remember this here happened? And I think it's important as photographers or videographers, document it. People with masks on, the clothes signs, start to take photographs before it's locked down, and even then document your journey and your family's journey from inside your home or wherever you are. A lot of people, rightly so, are very fearful. They're losing their jobs, they're losing any work they've got, they're going to be sick, they could be losing family members, they could be losing neighbours and losing friends. I also think about the homeless people, and sadly the rough sleepers, like, you know what I mean, we're very fortunate, we have a solid roof overhead. There's so many living on the streets, and basically it's very, very worrying, because how are they going to keep themselves clean? How are they actually going to survive without people giving them donations and things? So it's probably something, sometimes in situations like this, there's a lot of people panic buying toilet rolls, like about 20 packs of toilet rolls, or cleaning out all the pastas and all the sauces and just stockpiling. And it's all me, protecting me. And maybe we should start thinking about other people. Do you know what I mean? Because we're all in this together. What affects one person is going to affect us all. And I think it's important that we show support for people. And let's keep ourselves, the mindset, focused on walking in balance. By all means, get enough food to cover you for a couple of weeks. But think of other people. Don't be stockpiling too much stuff, because basically you're robbing it off other people, and then there's people getting caught out. Especially there's wee pensioners there who can't get to the shops and buy a lot of money, buy a lot of food. There's also people there who probably low income. They can't afford to buy 10 packs of pasta. They may only be able to afford 1 or 2 packs. But by cleaning them out, it means they have nothing. So they're living from one week till another. So maybe start to think about that. check your local area, maybe to see if there's food banks. Maybe you can deliver some food to them. But anyway, what I say, 2020 is going to be an experience. So guys, if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me out on Twitter and Instagram and Flickr and the website rambleswithmccamera.com. There's a wee message there. As one of you is already subscribing, thank you so much. And if you can, when you hit subscribe, the wee notification bell, ding dong, that was perfect timing, wasn't it? Click on the notification bell so you'll get notified when I upload videos. Guys, send you love from Belfast. And here, make today awesome. What can we do? Oh, lovely black coffee.